little birdie. Hi, little birdie. Hello, little birdie. Where the bird can fly? Hi, birdie. You walking away, birdie? I wonder if this bird can fly. I think he can fly. I think he can. I can't tell. Let me see. Let's see, the bird can fly. This bird is not flying. I wonder why this little birdie's not flying off. Most birdies usually will fly. Oh, he hopped though. I'm over here following this bird. Maybe the birdie doesn't want to fly right now. Well, that's okay, little birdie. Thanks for letting me follow you.